Alright guys, so let me show you something quickly. So interesting. Okay, so one of the biggest issues or one of the biggest questions we always get around Kumoo is how do you do group retouching in Kumoo, right? And of course, skin tones and all of that. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do group retouching, and not just group retouch, you can as well do independent retouching, even in a group picture. So let's say the way we have two models standing right here in this frame, right? And we want to just be able to retouch the lady on the dark skin tone and retouch the lady on light skin tone without anything we are doing on one affecting the other, right? Because both of them are ladies, so it's going to be quite tricky. But let me show you how we are going to be able to retouch both images and still get amazing results. So before we get started, I want to copy a color grade on it. I'll put my AI color transfer. To find it, just have to go to your color adjustment and you find it right there. So I'll click on try now, right? I think I need to hide this. Then go to your mine. Mine is already in mine. This is the color I want to use. And I want it basically to be on her. But of course, it's going to touch this person. But because our skin tone is so light, we can restore that much more later. So if I click here and wait for it, it applies on the both images. But I don't like the fact that it's making them become so dark. It looks good on this person, but not on this person. So I'm going to reduce the intensity of it and play around with the tone just for a little bit contrast more, and maybe the color. And this is it. So this is the before, this is the after. So we had our skin tone very close to this. Then of course this one can, push it back in later. Now once this is done, I'll go to my tone, open up my shadows a little bit of brightness and a little bit of contrast. Then I'll go into my retouching proper. So let's wait for it to process. So once that processing is done, you will notice that what we did previously just got applied on our image. Now, we have two ladies. If you go over here, you're going to see two women, right? And because it's two women, whatever I do on one is going to affect the other. So what do we do? Very, very simple. We can decide to retouch the both of them at the same time. Because if I do acne, which is exactly the same thing with acne, and I do for body, two body blemishes, I'm going to leave the matte where it is, and maybe forehead wrinkles is good. Excuse me. Then I'll go to my smile line. I think I'm going to need to lose that, and cheek line as well. So all of these basics are actually okay. Then my eye bag, I should have it here, dark circles. Good. Clean that out, and wrinkles around the eye. So everything in my blemishes can work for both of them, right? But I'm sure that when it comes to retouching, we might want to have independent control. So how do we get independent control on the image? It's very simple. All you need to do is to go over to single face. So once you are in single face, oh my, okay, so I believe Kumoo is seeing both of them as one face. Why is that? Okay, so you might as well check your own and see what is seeing them as well. I think it's just seeing one face on my own. So because of that, another trick I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my excuse me. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my selection over here, and I'm going to change the felon to a man. I'm going to change the fair lady to a man. So once I change the fair lady to a man, everything I'm doing now here will be applying just to this image. Look at that. So you notice the retouching we did is not applying here. Then when I want to retouch this one, I will go to man and retouch her from man. So that's basically how we're going to do it. Numerous ways you can try it. So if your single face is not sure, we just go and switch the face to something else, and you can still be able to work on it. So now down to my scale retouching, right? I'll go to my skin, increase my frequency separation. I always like to push that all the way up. Then it's a little bit of my high frequency. To do my skin refinement, my neutral gray contour, and my neutral gray leveling. Okay. Excuse me. All right. So now our face is taken care of. I need to bring this down. We'll do the same thing for the body. But for the body, I always like to, make sure it's not looking overly retouched. And we are good. Then I'll go down to my brightness, add a little bit of it, and a little bit of my whiteness. Then of course, looking at the image, the skin tone that will work is our cocoa. So I'll click on cocoa and reduce it. Let's see what tan looks like. Now cocoa does the job. I reduce it and maybe push it towards the side. I need a little bit of brightness there. Then balance the skin tone. This is way too off. Okay, keep it there to make sure we have uniform skin tone. Then once that is done, I'll move over to man. But before I go to man, let's fix the hair. So I'll select something dark for the hair. I'll reduce the intensity. Then of course my hair part, just a little bit. And we are good to go. My makeup, enhance blush, enhance lip makeup, push up my highlights and my shadows. We'll go to my lip gloss, very important for me. Lip gloss, select something very strong. I think this works better. Good. Alright, so once all these are done, you go to your map. You continue from where you stop. So now we are retouching this lady. We'll do our acne for face, acne for body blemishes. We'll do our marks where they are, my smile line and my cheek line. Of course, a little bit of face disfocus repair. And we are done with blemishes. One more thing, my eye bag. So once that is done processing, we'll come down to our retouching. Use up our super separation. Use up our neutral gray contour. Skin refinement and neutral gray leveling. Amazing. Beautiful. Okay, so once that is done, I think I need the contours a little bit more. Come down to my skin and just select maybe something natural and reduce it. Then of course warm her up. Not unrealistically warmed up. Beautiful. I think I love the way every other thing is looking, so I'll just go straight down to my makeup and just increase the highlight and a lot of the sharpness. Enhance eye makeup, enhance eyebrow, and the job is done. This is the before, this is the after, this is the before, this is the after. So this is how you can retouch people independently using Kumoo without having to do so much, and the result will still mind-blowing. If you want to download Kumoo and start using it right away, go to the description of this video. You are going to see the download link. Click on the link and download it so that you can get, your workflows flowing so easily. And the beautiful part is that if you purchase your first credit and other credits using our promo code, Kumoo is going to give you 30% free bonus. So try it out and tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next show.